Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing a quick DIY face mask. Take a clean bowl, add 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, also called as BESAN, little bit of honey, turmeric and 1 tablespoon of yogurt and mix them. Start applying evenly on the skin so that it spreads very well. Make sure the consistency is a little slight, thick or slimy so that it does not drip. The benefits of gram flour has alkalizing properties and was traditionally used as a cleanser to maintain the pH of the skin. BESAN is known to remove the dirt and toxins from deep within. BESAN helps to absorb and remove excess oil from the face, but it doesn't dry out the skin. It regulates the moisture and keeps the skin supple. BESAN helps to remove tan with its skin exfoliating and bleaching properties. This ensures that your skin is lighter, toned and replenished. It evens out the skin tone and gives the skin a radiant glow. It can also assist in the removal of the unwanted hair. Keep the mask for some 20 minutes until it's dry and wash it off with cold water and damp wipe it with your towel. Do not pull or stretch the skin. Go ahead and use your favorite toner. Here I'm using the toner from Plum Goodness Green Tea range. Just press it well into the skin and here you go, you have a fresh looking skin.